Evening everybody. As you know, over my past couple of videos I've been intimating the release of a design of products that I've been making and designing for quite a while now. Well, it's here. The product is done. My name is trademarked, so that's nice and protected. Stop you from copying that. And the design is protected too. I've applied to the government and got it protected to me. So I'm happy. So I'm happy to release it. It took a while. It's very stressful, but it's done. The story came, as you all know, I'm really keen into metal detecting. I'm also a very keen mechanic. I have a discovery too, so I need to be. I do a lot in the garden in terms of flowers and plants and all the other bits and bobs. My job basically makes me spend most of my day in the woods and woodland. I'm chopping away at ivy on tree stems using my hatchet. I'm cutting various bits and bobs. I go camping with the wife and kids. You name it. Basically, my life is outdoors, either hands-on with tools or outdoors, and obviously the metal detecting as well. So, quite a while ago, I ran out of hands when I was metal detecting, as we all have. You have your metal detector in one hand, and you have your little field hand spade, and generally in a pouch on your belt somewhere, or in my case, as they often do, the pouches wear out and they break and they cut through, and you end up walking around stuffing the little hand shovel down your belt or in the side of your pocket, and it's just messy and it's not very nice. So I came up with a design, and I'm now going to release it to you, and it's quite exciting for me, this, and this will save you time. At the end of this video, there are photographs that I've put in of various different scenarios of where you will use it, and also a little silent video clips of it in action. It will hold 6 kilograms of force, and it will practically hold all metal objects. So, my company is called QIKCLIX. 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 If you go on the internet and search for it, www.QIKCLIX.co.uk, and that will take you to my shop. If you're in Facebook, then just type QIKCLIX and my Facebook page pops up, and you can click the shop now and it takes my website as well. So, what is it? I'll open it. So this is the presentation box that it comes in. This is it. And if we open the box on the top, it comes in a lovely gift wrapped parcel inside. I'll undo that. And inside is this. This is my QIKCLIX product. This is 3mm thick, heavy gauge saddle leather used for horse saddles, stitched to a very high stitch count, so very, very good quality. And inside there is a specially formulated, tailor-made magnet that I have set a Taylor pull force, and this will quite gladly hold 6 kilograms of force. Your belt goes through there. It sits on your belt, and when you're doing something, whether you've got a spanner in your hand, or whether you've got a garden trowel in your hand, whether you've got a bricklaying trowel in your hand, whether you've got a little hand spade for metal detecting, it goes, sticks on, do what you're doing, you need it, pull it off, dig, back on. That is it. The quality is second to none. These are handmade and made to order. So the company logo is QIKCLIX, which is just there. You get a choice of this, which is Australian nut in colour, or there's a black version. I am going to be releasing a rubberized version as well for snorkeling, scuba diving, whatever you want to do, metal detection under the sea, whatever. A rubberized version which is waterproof. Obviously this wouldn't go in the sea. However, it works perfectly well in the land and sitting on your belt. So you got a choice of the Australian nut, which is this, or a black leather, and then the studs are changeable to this antique brushed copper or a gunmetal grey stud. They're your options. So you'll get that through the post in your little presentation box, and that's it. Like I say, these are handmade, stitched by hand and made to order. My person who makes them for me, she is a saddle maker by make, and she's very good at what she does. I send her the orders and she makes them. She sends them back to me. I gift wrap them, put a nice little note in, and off they go to you guys. I've also offered for free, if you require, if you wish, to have your initials, up to 4 letters, stamped underneath there, ABCD, stamped in there. So it'll be QIKCLIX ABCD. And these, I've offered a 10-year guarantee with these against design break. Obviously, if you cut it on purpose, chop it up, chuck it in the fire, that's not going to happen. But against the actual design failing, I'm quite happy to hand a 10-year guarantee. These are extremely sturdy bits of kit. It sits on your belt, you stick your tools to it, and that's it. It is as simple as that, and it makes your life easier. I've lost count the amount of 10mm spanners I've lost. I've lost count of the times where I'm fumbling between holding plant pots in the gardens and garden trowels to dig. I've lost count the amount of times where I've had my metal detecting spade stuck in my pocket and it just gets cumbersome and it's a pain. And that's it, you don't even know you've got it on. You just put it to your waist and that's done. They retail at $34.95 and I think it's worth every penny. It is a unique, handmade, very thick, very strong leather, not cheap leather, custom made product, which will come in a lovely gift wrap box with a nice little note in there from me to say thank you. These are a perfect either birthday gift, father's gift, Mother's Day gift. Doesn't really matter. Buy one now for yourself. Someone I know has bought one online and they've already put their order in because they're going to use it. They do metal detecting, but for other things as well. I'm say it is there. That's it. That's it. That's my QIKCLIX. The long-awaited life saver, the time saver. It's here. That is it. QIKCLIX. Thank you for your time, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm only just setting out. I've just set it all up. I've put money into it and I've put time and effort, and I appreciate it. You know, it's nice to support little businesses that are growing, and I think it's important as well because it's we need them, don't we? A friend of mine who makes metal detecting spades, funnily enough, he gave me some guidance, and you know, thanks to him, I am where I am now. So please have a visit on the website. Feel free to buy one, have a shop around, see what you think. They're very, very nice, and happy detecting everybody and happy everything else. Take care. Thank you.